Hello guys, and welcome to a new episode. So today I'm going to run you through my keyboard shortcut in DaVinci Resolve, the one that I use for most of my edits and how I apply them. So let's check them out. Okay guys, so this is how this is done. So first of all, how to change a keyboard shortcut in DaVinci Resolve. I'm going to go up here where you see DaVinci Resolve. You're going to click on that and you're going to see a keyboard customization. So I'm going to click on that and we'll see this panel. If you want to use a keyboard shortcut, it is Control Alt then the letter K, then a pop-up. So this is where you can make adjustment to your keyboard shortcut settings, and also if you are trying to find out a particular keyboard shortcut and want to know what the shortcut is, you can also check that from here. So with that, one thing that you can do is you can click on any letter here and it's going to give you what the keyboard, what peripherals is assigned to that particular key. So when I click on G, you can see it over here, current selected. So whatever letter you click on here, it's going to show you what the function or the shortcut function of that particular key is. Also, you can click on Control and control any other letters, because there is an assigned function to each key, and also control with a key, or sometimes Control Alt with a key, or sometimes Alt with a key, or even sometimes Shift with a key. So there's so many ways you can rearrange, remap this in DaVinci Resolve. Also, if let's take for instance, I want to make some changes, because I actually want to make some changes in the keyboard shortcut to make my edit very fast. So one of the things I want to change is the zoom in and out. Now first of all, I have to select which key I want to assign to that particular thing, and for me, I want to use Shift A for my zoom out and Shift S for my zoom in. So we are going to assign these two to the zooming in and zooming out. So this is simple. You're just going to go in here and search for zoom, and this can be found in view, then zoom. So as you can see, it's right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel out all the old ones here, and we're going to add in the new one. So Shift A and Shift S, then we save that. So guys, that is the simplest way to change keyboard shortcuts in DaVinci Resolve. So right now I'm going to give you my 5 most used keyboard shortcuts that makes my workflow very fast in DaVinci Resolve. So the first one is going to be what I've earlier taught, which is the Shift A, which zooms in, and the Shift S, which zooms out. So Shift A to zoom in and then Shift S to zoom out, just as simple as that. And my second would be Shift C, I use in trimming my video. So as you can see, this trims up the video. So Shift C. And one thing I also use would be Shift Z. So what that will do is that it will trim the entire beginning part of the video. Does this entire portion will be trimmed out and will be left with this portion. So let's say for instance, I've watched this video and I feel like this part, I don't want to see this part again, or I don't like this part of the video again. I don't have to trim and then now delete this part, like Shift C, and now I have to click this and click on the delete key before it deletes. No, what I can do is just to click on the Shift Z and it will cut that portion off. And also, so let's say for instance, I don't want this part. So what I'm going to do is select the clip first and click on Shift X, and that is going to delete it.
So guys, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please leave a like and please subscribe. Let's go.